Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the ClearedJobs Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect detailed job listings for roles that require government security clearances. This actor collects comprehensive job listing data from ClearedJobs.net, one of the main job boards for security-cleared positions. It extracts everything from job titles and companies to clearance requirements, salary ranges, responsibilities, qualifications, and application details. This is useful for recruiters, job seekers, and researchers who need accurate market data without manually opening hundreds of listings. So, how does it work? There are two ways to use the scraper. You can either paste the start URL directly from clearjobs.net, or you can build search using individual filter fields. It's important to note that you can only choose one. You either use a URL or use the input filters. If you already have a search parameter with the filters that you need, you can simply copy the URL and paste it in here. If you prefer a more structured approach, you can use the filter fields. You can search by keywords, company name, job title, security clearance level, and location. In this example, I'm scraping engineering roles that require a top secret clearance and limiting the results to 30 listings. Once your input is ready, you can hit run, or you can schedule the actor depending on your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now we let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, the results appear in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents a job listing with full company info, location data, security clearance requirements, salary ranges, responsibilities, qualifications, and benefits. You can export the data as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file, and plug it directly into spreadsheets, databases, or recruitment tools. This actor is ideal for recruiters, cleared job seekers, and analysts who need structured, up-to-date intelligence on security-cleared positions. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.